I like to say that the big secret behind disruption is not having any idea how it's supposed to be done. I had no idea how it was supposed to be done. And if you have no idea how something's supposed to be done, I guarantee you, you will end up being disruptive. But the key is you have to let it, you have to embrace not knowing. A lot of times when we don't know something, especially, most people in society, we end up being afraid of what we don't know, or we take that as a negative. It can hold us back. Whereas if you let what you don't know become your greatest asset, you are bound to do things very differently. Because we're all mostly on autopilot in life, and if you think about it, we're doing things exactly the way somebody else showed us how to do it. Everything that we're doing is because someone else showed us how to do it. So I like to do this mental exercise, and I tell people at Spanx to do it too. I say, close your eyes and pretend like you have no idea how to do your job. Just sit in that space for a minute. What comes up? If no one has shown you how to do your job, how would you be doing it? And listening to the answers. But it takes asking those questions, asking why, and spending that time in that space to say, is there a better way? Why has a bra always been made this way? Or why is it this way? And so for me, my not knowing was really a great asset for me.